In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually edit your free beats and post them on YouTube. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, let's dive into my CapCut. I'm going to show you how we do this step by step. In my CapCut, the first thing for me to do is for me to import my video intro. So I go over and do that, and I will drag it to my timeline. When I drag it to my timeline, this is what I get. Let's see. So that is the intro. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want it to be as short as possible. I need to cut this to around here. This is what I want to see. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to go over and import my beat template. So this is what I want my beat to be showing whenever it's playing. So this is how I want it to be showing. So just bring it and drag it up and add here. Then I will duplicate this. Automatically my beat template is okay. This is how it is going to look like. So what I'm going to do is for me to add the beat. So I head over to import, and I head over to where my beats are. So I come over here. After importing my beat, I will automatically drag it down, and here is it. See how it goes. It's going to be like this. That is how it's going to be. So what I will do is for me to keep duplicating this till it reach where the beat is going to stop. The next thing for me to do is for me to add in notification. So when someone is listening to the beat is going to tell you to subscribe again. Bang, subscribe. So that's what I'm going to add. So I'll head over and come here. From here to here, I'm going to add it. So I will go over here and import, bring it in, put it in, then I resize it, bring it up, need it to show like this, and just bam. Don't forget to subscribe. So I need it to last for at least a couple of seconds, like. So I'm going to add something for you, so it will always look as if it will always bring out that sound. Bang! So people will actually know, yes, that is the sound. I want to add something for you so you can always distract the viewers' attention. So I need a sound. So I go over here and search on notification. That's okay. Bring it here. It will be like. That is done. I'm going to select it. And then I'll copy it and I'll move it over to the middle, and I'll add it somewhere around here, and I will select again. I'll duplicate it again. So now I'm done. The next thing for me to do is for me to add the beat name. So what I will actually do is I'm going to drag this here and drag this here. I'm I'm going to bring in a text. That is what I'm going to put. Yes, I'm going to bring a text here. So the beat title is call. I want to name the beat call. So I'll just drag this and put it here. I'll extend it all the way to the end. Extend this all the way to the end. Then I'll just put the beat name. I call it call. So just put it there. Then I choose a style for it. Something with the abstract color, so that's okay for me. Mind you, you can use this to edit. You can use this to edit anything. You can eventually use this to post several beats. So for me, I'm just going to do a little bit of color grading, so to stand out from other people who want to use the same footage. So I just come over here and scroll down. Once I touch, just come to adjustment, and I will bring down this adjustment here. I'm going to add it to extend it so I can play with it. So I'll just play with the colors, the saturation, and every other thing. Just drag this and I'll bring this all the way down so it will not affect my write-up. So automatically my beat is done and I can go ahead and post it. So let's look at how it goes, how it looks like. Let's view it. Actually, I can make this to type. So just click on it and come to, just click on this and come to animation. I want it to be blinking, so just come to a loop and that's it. So automatically my beat is ready and I can do this. Automatically my beat is ready and I can use this template to do as several beats I can. And even though I want to change the footage, I can also bring another footage and change it. So I'm going to head over and save this template and keep it for my next beat. So I'm done with this one. That is how you can actually upgrade your beat video and post it on YouTube, and then you put a link to where people can actually download the real beat. Find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. But that being said, I will see you in my next video. Thank you.